Good afternoon. Here is news at noon on Obinwannem radio and television station. I am Ako Ikeme. The headline: $30 billion GDP. Igbo curtains of industry embrace government Mbah's economic growth. Igbos are the pioneers, heroes of modern Lagos State. Chief of Air Staff Lauds Governor Mbah on improved security. 10 men just say survive Brighton at Stamford Bridge. Mancity, Tottenham share spoils in 6-goal thriller. Now the news. Captains of industry and prospective investors in the southeast expresses readiness to support the investment and economic growth plans of Enugu State Governor Dr. Mbah. During the inauguration of the Enugu Investors Network, businesses leaders commend the efforts to rally local businesses leaders and de-risk the state's business environment. They emphasize that investment strive where risks are lower and returns on investments are high. Governor Mbah underscores the importance of regional cooperation for economic development and business mogul appreciates the improved security situation. The launch aims to mobilize domestic investment and engage the private sector in driving economic growth in Enugu State. The President General for Hanes and Igbo Worldwide, Chief Emmanuel Iwanyanwu, asserts that Igbo forebears were the pioneers and heroes of modern Lagos State. Contrary to recent claims by the Order of Benin regarding Lagos origin, Iwanyanwu emphasizes the significant role played by the Igbo in developing Lagos, especially during its time as a federal capital territory. He highlights their contributions in converting swampy lands into habitable areas, building businesses, homes, and schools. Iwanyanwu acknowledges the strong relationship between the Igbo and Yoruba communities in Lagos, but he emphasizes the need for Igbo residents to adhere to construction laws and obtain proper approvals for their structures. The Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Hassan Abubakar, commends Governor Peter Mbah of Enugu State for the improved security situation in the state. The Chief of Air Staff acknowledges the Governor's commitment to collaborating with the armed forces, contributing to enhance peace and security in the southeast region. Governor Mbah assures continued partnership with the security forces, emphasizing the importance of addressing root causes of insecurity, particularly unemployment. The governor highlights the administration's efforts to create employment opportunities, linking sustainable development and security. Additionally, Mbah discusses the implementation of a cut-off point policy to provide holistic education, including digital skills and moral education to Enugu children from an early age. On sport news, Chelsea managed to secure a 3-2 win victory against Brighton at Stamford Bridge, overcoming the challenge of playing the entire second half with 10 players after Conor Gallagher received a second yellow card. Enzo Fernandez and Levi Colwick's headers initially gave Chelsea a 2-0 lead, but Brighton's Facundo Bonoletti pulled one back. Despite Brighton's attempts at a comeback, Fernandez converted a penalty in the second half and João Pedro's late goal added drama. Chelsea survived the penalty scare in the final moments, securing the win and moving to 10th place in the Premier League standings. Manchester City and Tottenham played out a thrilling 3-3 draw at the Etihad. Despite Phil Foden briefly giving City the lead, Tottenham, led by the Son Heung-min's remarkable performance, secured an equalizer with Dejan Kulusevski's 90th minute header. Mancity faced setbacks including an own goal by Son and missed opportunities. The draw leaves City in third place, 3 points behind leaders Arsenal, while Tottenham climbs to 5th place, breaking a streak of 3 consecutive defeats. The match featured during attacking football from Tottenham amid an injury crisis and saw suspensions for City's Rodri and Grealish in the upcoming match against Aston Villa. That is the news brought to you by Ako Ikeme on Obinwannem radio and television station in the Soka Enugu State, Igbo land. Kindly like and share on our YouTube channels and follow us on our Facebook pages. Thanks and bye for now.